Steps to register GCash. 1. Download the GCash app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for GCash. Install the app on your phone. 2. Open the app and tap register. Enter your Philippine mobile number. If you don't have one, you'll need to get a Philippine SIM like Globe or Smart that supports roaming in the USA. 3. Enter your details. Fill in your full name, birth date, address, and email address exactly as shown on your valid ID. 4. Set your MPN 4-digit PIN. This will serve as your password to access the GCash app. 5. Verify your account KYC. Tap Verify now and upload a valid Philippine ID. You'll also take a selfie for facial verification. 6. Activate roaming or use Wi-Fi. Make sure your Philippine SIM is active to receive the OTP via SMS during registration. Once verified, you can use GCash anywhere through Wi-Fi or data. Do your own research.